Hi everyone, I'm going to go over the S32 notes. We've done the first page, so if you've done it, please get it out. If not, just write the example on a separate piece of paper. So here's the first page, and here is the second. So we're going to come all the way down here. We're going to solve the quadratic equation by using the square root method. Why the square root method? As you can see, there is an x squared term, and then there's no x term. So if you see that in the equation, you are going to use the square root method. You have to know, but it's a little easier. So first step we're going to do, we are going to isolate the x squared term by adding 9. So I'm going to add 9. So I have 2x squared is equal to 80. And then I'm going to divide by 2 to isolate that x squared. So divide by 2. So I get x squared is equal to 40. All right, so next I take the square root. So if I take the square root of both sides, I get x is equal to positive and negative square root of 40. Now, I'm going to do the approximate first, and then I'll do the exact, just because I have my calculator here. So I'm going to press second, x squared to get my square root, and I press 40, so it is 6.32. So I'm going to round to the nearest hundredth, so x is equal, about 6.32, but just remember positive and negative. All right, so the next part, just remember we're going to simplify 40. All right, I'm going to do it over here. So divide by 2, so I get 20, another 2, I get 10, another 2, and 5. So the 2 comes out, and I'm left with 2 times 5. So I have positive and negative 2 root 10. So I got the root 10, but just remember I multiplied those two numbers. And that's it.